Welcome to Knockout Crypto. Thank you for following our channel. We want to go over the charts today. You can go to our follow Knockout Crypto on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. Twitter is where we get our most up-to-date information. Obviously, today's big news is Bitcoin price drops to $6,180 as the market hits 3-week low. So a lot of people, are scrambling, saying, Bitcoin hit a 3-week low. We look at the month chart, and we can see in July, the last time Bitcoin was at 6,100 and 100 something dollars was July 12th. So here we are in August 8th, and we're back down to $6,200. So 600, we're at 306 now, right? So yeah, we gained a lot in July. In July, we gained all the way up to $8,344. We have basically given up all of July's gains. The $2,000 gain we made in July, we've given that up. And now we're back to the early July lows of 6,100, 6,200 for Bitcoin. But I'm here to say today, the market cap right now is overall $220 billion overall market cap for the crypto market cap. Look at this, Bitcoin dominance at 49.1, which is the highest it's been probably since the last December. This could be a good sign, could be a bad sign. Usually this is a good sign that, there's a rally coming. But I don't want to focus on price today because I want to say this 3 times. I want to get this through to you guys. Bitcoin's price does not matter. Bitcoin's price does not matter. Bitcoin's price does not matter. And I'm going to tell you why I think the price does not matter for cryptocurrencies right now. What matters more for cryptocurrencies right now is adoption and implementation of crypto technology. Blockchain technology. Right? What we gotta watch right now in every single area is adoption and implementation. Adoption and implementation are more important than get Bitcoin's price and Bitcoin ETFs. And just so you can see who else agrees with this, Ethereum's creator, mass adoption matters more than cryptocurrency ETFs. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik believes that the crypto community has focused too much on ETFs rather than making cryptocurrency easier to use as a method of payment for everyday purchases via payment cards, according to a recent tweet. An ETF will benefit cryptocurrency prices, he believes, but making it easy for people to use it will do more for mass adoption. Actual adoption is what's going to drive the price higher. And I want to give you guys some ideas of where we're at in adoption compared to 2 years ago, even 1 year ago. Look at the adoption of Bitcoin right now, or adoption of cryptocurrencies. There are more than 3,500 Bitcoin ATMs worldwide. That's bullish. That's bullish, man. That is very bullish. North America has the largest concentration of ATMs globally, with a whopping 2,594 Bitcoin ATMs installed, which translates to 74% of the total Bitcoin ATMs installed across the world. That's bullish, man. That's bullish. Bullish news. We also had the super bullish news last week by the biggest stock exchange operators launching the Bitcoin market. BAC will be a platform for settling Bitcoin futures in partnership with Microsoft, Starbucks, and BCG. This project will launch in November pending regulatory approval. The Intercontinental Exchange, the owner of the New York Stock Exchange, has announced that it will list a physically settled Bitcoin futures contracts and form a new company whose mission is to make Bitcoin a mainstream financial asset. That's the mission of the company, to make Bitcoin a mainstream financial asset. Wow. So it doesn't matter what Bitcoin's price is right now, because we know that the New York Stock Exchange, the Intercontinental Exchange, they are planning to make Bitcoin a mainstream financial asset. And when that happens, Bitcoin's price will explode. There's also been talk that Bitcoin could be the world's first global currency. It already is. Guys, Bitcoin is already the first worldwide currency. Coinbase is bringing crypto payment options to millions of online merchants. The WooCommerce plugin, a WordPress plugin that currently supports more than 28% of all online stores, now have the ability to accept cryptocurrency from customers worldwide. Coinbase noted on its blog. So now Coinbase is offering an API, a button, kind of like a PayPal button now, where people can check out with cryptocurrencies, making it easier to use cryptocurrencies in everyday life. Square is seeing real growth in Bitcoin user base. Square is saying the Bitcoin user base was up 60%. Another bullish sign that Bitcoin and cryptos are being used more. Another big financial company, Goldman Sachs, may store Bitcoin for cryptocurrency funds and institutional investors. There's no need to be scared here. If Goldman Sachs is into this, the New York Stock Exchange is into this and dedicates to making this a mainstream financial asset, what does that tell you? Would they be building all of this infrastructure if they didn't believe the asset could be mainstream? If they didn't believe Bitcoin was actually worth something? Of course not. They're building it because they know this is gold. This is gold. Blockchain adoption to save banks $27 billion annually by 2030 research. Blockchain adoption. Yeah, they're going to start using blockchain because they have to. The other things, technology grows. We can't just keep using Windows based for financial ledgers. Blockchain is better. It's a better ledger. It's that simple. And the better technology wins. It's disruptive and it will win. At the end of the day, the blockchain is better for the financial world, and they know it. And they are testing it, and they're doing whatever they need to do to get into it. Citigroup and Barclays near end of blockchain test managed by IBM. They want to find out how blockchain technology can streamline their operations as part of a group organized by IBM and one of the world's largest financial infrastructure providers. The project, known as Ledger Connect, aims to allow banks and financial firms to share techniques for know your customer checks, collateral management, and sanction screening. The private network was created by IBM and blockchain software developer Hyperledger, according to a statement Monday. CLS, whose global foreign exchange network settles $5 trillion of payments a day for 24,000 clients, is also heading the project. Wall Street has experimented for several years with using blockchain technology to simplify back office functions and speed up transaction times. Yes. They are going to start working together. They're going to get the regulatory approval. And you best to believe blockchain is where it's going to be at. They're going to get it done. Goldman Sachs is considering a custody offering for crypto funds. All of this is bullish news. We're in a bull market. So despite what Bitcoin's price is today, which is $6,284, and whether it was $8,000 and $8,361  2 weeks ago in July, it does not matter. Because what's happening here, it's clear. Every article you look at, everything you look at points to widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin and blockchain technology. It's happening right before our eyes. Let's not be fooled. The biggest news is this. Would the New York Stock Exchange, would the Intercontinental Exchange be launching a Bitcoin product if they did not believe that there was potential to make lots of money and that Bitcoin could be a mainstream financial asset? They've already done their research. These are very smart people. Bitcoin is a mainstream financial asset now, and they want in. They're going to build the infrastructure, and they're going to get the regulatory functions. They're going to make sure that it's adopted, and they're going to implement blockchain technology. That's what's happening here, guys. Do not lose sight of that by watching Bitcoin's price today, because if you pull this chart out, Bitcoin is still up $2,867 from last year. It's still up 84% from last year. Think in terms of years, not in terms of days and months. Think in terms of years. Where will Bitcoin be next August? Where will Bitcoin be next August if the New York Stock Exchange is planning to launch a Bitcoin market in November? Ask yourself the question, where will Bitcoin be next August 8, 2019? Don't sell your Bitcoin. Hold your Bitcoin. If you believe in cryptocurrencies, hold, or buy more. But there's so many clear signs that the price doesn't matter right now. Bitcoin's price doesn't matter right now. What matters is the adoption and the implementation of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies in the real world. And we're seeing widespread mass adoption right now, widespread interest and implementation right now. And if this kicks off in November, like they say they're going to launch in November, if the New York Stock Exchange launches back in November, we could see a bull run like we've never seen before. So let's keep our eyes on the prize. Let's focus not on today's price, but on the long-term goal for Bitcoin. Guys, thank you for watching Knockout Crypto. Let me know what you think of the video. Thank you for following the channel. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Also, you can also go to our knockoutcrypto.com to join our Patreon. Our Patreon has like all of the up-to-date videos, all of our in-depth research, all of our best videos go to the Patreon page. So definitely check that out as well. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto.